This video we are assembling the Gnome Girl Bunny candy wrap. Okay, and I am going to start by assembling the Easter basket that's on the belly band for this one. The basket has 3 flowers in it. So you'll just cut the green and then whatever color you want your flower to be. Okay. And then I'm just going to glue these to the back of the basket. And you can place them in any way you want. Or not use them. There we go. And then your basket is going to go here on your belly band, and I am going to use some foam tape to put it on. And then there are hands. For this. All right, so that's complete. Now we're going to pull in our girl. Let me move this piece aside. I'm going to start first by putting this in place. So you're just going to line this up to the curve here. Just like that. Then it will help you place the insides of your ears. Oops. This does need to slide underneath it. So, I don't know if you want to put that on first or not, but so there's your ears. Now the next piece that goes on is the hair. Okay. Darn. The hair actually goes behind. I think, let me see. No, it goes this way. Okay. So this solid piece, like this goes behind the hair, okay? Goes like this, behind the hair, because this little brim shows. Then this goes on top. And And this is your band for your hat. And you're just going to fit it on here like this. And you have a bow that goes on it. And I'm going to use a foam dot to pop this up a little bit. And I feel like everything's looking pretty flat on this hat, so I just want to give that a little bit of dimension. And then, sorry, I just cut my nails, so I'm having trouble picking stuff up. So I'd like to pinch the edges here of my bow and then glue this on. That helps give a little bit of dimension as well. Just going to use that to push that on, and there is a centerpiece if you want to use it on your bow. You could put a jewel there if you wanted. There we go. That just gives it a more finished look. So I'm going to wait to put this hat on because I don't know if I want to pop up the whole head or if I just want to pop up the piece of hat. Okay, so right now I'm going to put the feet together. Looks like so in an earlier video I did the boy, and it looks like they have different size feet, and I got one of each foot here for my girl. Okay, so now we have those done. Let's take a look at where this goes. This should go typically on the girl where I put the face is right at the crease of the first braid. Okay, so you can just pop that in there. Just put a little bit of glue here on the top half of this, and I've just slid this into the between the hat and the hair. So when I'm designing her, that's where I plan for that piece to be. So you can just kind of eyeball that. And then let me just take a look, see if I want to pop up the hat, or do I want to, I think I want to pop up the whole head. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this onto this. Okay, and then I'm going to put her nose on. just want to line that up. Try to make it straight. Her braids should be going down each side there. Now this back piece is going to be the color of her dress, so keep that in mind when you're selecting your colors. And then once you have that in place, you can see where to place her smock. You just want to have this curve right under her face. And then we can glue this down. Okay, just like that. Her head is crooked. And I don't know if I have put her hair on crooked or, which is probably what I did. I probably put her hair on crooked. There. Okay. Now I'm going to bring in the base piece, and I'm going to fold it on the score lines. Okay, flip it back over, and I'm going to glue this down in place. Being careful not to glue on this edge of the ear. So if you wanted to, you could trim that off so that you don't make that mistake of gluing that down. And now we're going to add her feet. Now you have two options when you are putting these together. If you want to pop these with pop dots, the feet, you can. You just need to not use the belly band. If you want to use the belly band, you really need to glue these down so that you can slide your belly band off and on. Now, if you want these to be dimensional, you can do that and just use Velcro. I have these little Velcro circles that I bought at Dollar Tree, and those work really well holding these closed. And then you would just add your basket here on your project instead of on the belly band, on the box itself. And so I'm just gonna fold this and keep it not too tight so that it'll slide off and on. I'm going to add glue to the top of each tab and then glue this in place. Again, not making it too tight because you want it to be able to slide easily off and on. And there is the Girl Bunny candy wrap. Thank you for joining me.